Butterfly Reader Story 1, The Curious Monkey. This story from Panchatantra. It was a hot summer day. Days in summer was hot. In a forest, a group of men was cutting some logs. A forest means a large area covered with trees. And log means a large branch of tree. Here, group of men was cutting some logs. Log means a large branch of tree. They were cutting. They worked hard all morning. It was noon and the men were tired. They took a break and went for lunch. Some monkeys who lived in that forest were watching the man work with interest. One of the men had cut a log only halfway. He had put a bit of wood. Bit of wood means a piece of wood in between to keep it from snapping shut. Here in that forest there were some monkeys who were watching a man work with interest. He cut a log halfway. He had put a bit of wood, a piece of wood in between and keep it from snapping shut. One of the monkey couldn't help but play with the piece of wood and began to tug and pull at it. Tug means sudden pull. As an old monkey was watching the younger one tugging and pulling the piece of wood, he warned him that if he continued to do so, he would get hurt. The older monkey warned young monkey not to do so, not to pull and tugging the piece of wood. He would get hurt, but the young monkey didn't stop. Suddenly snap went the log as the young monkey pulled the piece of wood out. Ah! He cried as his foot got caught between the two sides of half-cut log. As it snapped shut, he was badly hurt and was yelling in pain. The other monkeys tried to free him from the log, but could not do so. They left him to be free by the man. The young monkey learned the hard way that he should have listened to the older monkey. What we learn from the story? The moral of the story is, when you want to know about the things around, ask your elders. You might hurt yourself trying to do things on your own.